All right, so you can see all your purchases show up here. But the cool thing is once you buy any art, so say I have this art here and I love it and I want it to be my phone's wallpaper. I just hit download and I can hit create device wallpaper, and then I can pick my device from the list here. It has all the popular devices. So I could say S26 Ultra, and then I can move this around to get exactly what I want, resize it. It will always stay exactly what it needs to be for the Ultra. So if I just wanted a little bit or I wanted the whole thing, then all I got to do is download wallpaper, and that's it. Just download it and there it is. I can have the wallpaper, or if I want it from my tablet, I can pick what kind of tablet I have. Here, there's your Galaxy tabs. Then we can have desktops. So say if I wanted an ultra wide, I can hit this, and then I can select what part of the image that I want to be my ultra wide section, or if I wanted to do, let's say tablet, and there's a iPad Pro. I can say, okay, I want to do this, and I can just download it automatically. And another cool feature is same thing with the music. You can say I want to create a ringtone, and you can select the part of the clip or part of the song you want as your ringtone, and then you can download it in formatted for iPhone or for Android, and then boom, just hit the button and you have a ringtone from any song. So you can make a wallpaper for your desktop, tablet, or phone from any image, and you can do the same with a ringtone for your Android or Apple device. This is great for users who buy, and it's also good for creators because you don't have to take the time to format all these different sizes. If you want to sell wallpaper, you don't have to format it for every different device. You can just upload it once, and then the user can get that feature automatically. So I'm going to be adding new features all the time. This is a passion project of mine that I've been wanting to do for a long time, giving artists a place to get their work out and, make a majority of their sales. I do charge, it's just 10%, and that's it. That goes to, the hosting, of course, and then the cost for developing the app itself. That kind of stuff isn't free, but I do take the most minimal cut as I can. And then you just use Stripe Connect. I like that one because it's really secure, and that just puts everything in your hands. You can just charge what you want for the songs. There is a minimum of 92 cents, and I know that's a weird number, but with Stripe payout, the minimum payout is 50 cents. So at 92 cents, when you do the 10% fee, and then you have to pay, of course, your Stripe transaction fees, and so 92 cents would hit you right at that 50 cents minimum of payout. So I want to be able to pay out on every sale every day, so that's why that 92 cents is there. But if you wanted to do a bundle, like here, you can see you've created many bundles. You can bundle a lot of things and sell them for, whatever you want, really. So it gives people a chance. If you go into this bundle, you can see that it's selling for $4.99, and it gives the customer their savings. They're saving $7.88 if they buy the bundle, and it shows you all the art which is included, and you can just select it, and there it is. Right?